If PowerPoint is showing video error 153, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get your video playing properly again. This issue is usually caused by an unsupported file format, missing codecs, or a corrupted video insert, and the good news is that it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. First, let's check the video format. Open your file manager and find the video file you're trying to use in PowerPoint. Click on the file and look at the extension at the end of the name like .mov, .avi, or .mp4. If your file is not MP4, that is often the reason PowerPoint throws error 153. PowerPoint works much more reliably with MP4 files, especially when they use the correct encoding. Now let's convert the video to MP4. Open your browser and search for Cloud Convert MP4 Converter. Once the site opens, upload your video file. After that, choose MP4 as the output format. If you see an option for H.264 codec, select that as well, because it is one of the most compatible formats for PowerPoint. Then click Convert and wait for the process to finish. When the conversion is done, download the new MP4 file to your computer. Next, go back to PowerPoint and insert the video again. Open your presentation, click Insert, then Video, then This Device. Browse to the new MP4 file you just created, select it, and insert it into your slide. After that, test the playback to see if the issue is gone. In many cases, converting to MP4 immediately fixes the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to install missing codecs. Open your browser and search for K-Lite Codec Pack Standard. Download it from a trusted source and run the installer. Use the default settings unless you specifically know you need custom options. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer so the codecs can load properly and PowerPoint can recognize more video formats. Another important thing to avoid is MOV files. If your video is in .mov format, that can sometimes cause playback issues in PowerPoint depending on your system. You have two choices here. You can install QuickTime, or the better and safer option is to convert the MOV file to MP4 instead. That gives you a much better chance of smooth playback and fewer compatibility problems. Now for the final fix, and this one is important. If the video still doesn't work, delete the video from the slide completely. Then save your PowerPoint file, close PowerPoint and open it again. After that, insert the video again from scratch. Sometimes the video link or embedded object becomes buggy and reinserting it fixes the error instantly. This step is simple, but it can make a big difference. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix PowerPoint video error 153, check the file format, convert the video to MP4, reinsert it into PowerPoint, install missing codecs if needed, avoid MOV files when possible, and if necessary, delete and reinsert the video after restarting PowerPoint. These steps solve the issue for most users and help make your presentation run much more smoothly. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.